I just spit on the page from excitement. Hello, I hope you're doing well. I am very excited because, as you can see, I have all of the items from our 2022 Stationery Advent all here, and I will be doing just a complete spoiler unboxing. You should not be watching this video if you do not want to see what all of the little gifts are. If you want to join in on opening the Advent, we do have a Stationery Advent Facebook group where we will just be opening all of the Advents on the indicated days. So we are gonna get started. My hands look like they have been through some stuff. And I don't know why, like every single day of this week, I have hurt myself in some way. Like I nicked myself here, and then like I dropped some weights on my thumb and my nails are just like breaking off, and it's not good. Do excuse that. So yeah, every Advent is gonna come with my new business card, which I'm so excited about. It's this like really nice recycled hemp material, so that is why there's like little specks everywhere. It's just because it's like a more natural material. So yeah, this is the first time that I will be giving out these business cards, and from now on we're just going to open them day by day. And I do have my emoji planner, the back of it open, just so that I can do any swatches on there. This is day number 1 of the Advent, and this is the adorable packaging. I'm so excited. I love this not a barcode thing. And then the back has like the kind of, what are those called, like laundry label thing, typically like a little tag with clothing and stuff. So I did one just for washi, and I thought it was kind of funny. So yeah, okay, let's open this up. Okay, so this is, I don't know if you can tell, I'm really excited. This is the morning routine emojis washi. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do a little swatch. So this is the morning routines washi, and it has a light gold foil. So there's an emoji with coffee or some tea, an emoji reading the newspaper with like a little foiled exclamation mark, some skincare routine, this cute little sun, just like a content emoji. So like this sun and this emoji is supposed to be like a single thing. And then we have this like alarm clock annoyed emoji, and yeah, the thing just repeats. So I'm so excited for this. I think this is so cute, and I especially love the sky background. So this is day number 1. And since like we're kicking off the Advent, I thought, you know, like starting with the morning would be a good idea. So there's that. Let's find day number 2. This is day number 2. This is like a more stiff little packet, and I made this pattern especially for this Advent. Whoops, a little bit of residue, but that's okay. So this is the front of the item. Okay, so this is the Sunny Day magnetic bookmark, and of course it's double-sided. And this is our second time, well actually this is our third time making a magnetic bookmark, but I don't really count the first time because that was in like 2017, and honestly those magnetic bookmarks weren't really good. But yeah, this is the magnetic bookmark. It's similar to the one that we had for our birthday sale, and yeah, I think this is a really good way to mark either your books or the current day in your planner. And it just comes with a little insert card that tells you what it is. Really excited about this as well. On top of having like 5 billion planners that I use at the same time, I also read like 5 billion books at the same time, so I'm always in need of new bookmarks. I will put it over here. Okay, what is day 3? Day 3 is this flat little paper bag, and all of them have like a label of when to open it and also the day number. Of course, you don't have to listen to the opening date if you don't want to. All right, so for day number 3, we have 2 items. These are 2 mini sticker sheets, and you can probably already tell one of them is super cool, but let's start with this one. This is the Skincare Doodle sticker sheet, and there's just a little doodle of some cream, either like moisturizer or, I don't know, cleanser. We have some serums, this little face mask emoji, nails. This can be like body wash or, I don't know, hand soap. And the little flowers aren't part of the stickers, but I just thought it was really cute. So this is a Skincare Doodles sheet. And then we also have this one, which is a rest day mini sticker sheet. And as you can see, there's like a shattered hollow overlay on there. So we have this emoji that says breathe in, breathe out. This little snail that says take it slow. And this like kind of resting emoji that has a little flag that says no on it, just for like days where you're kind of done with everything. And this is still on like opaque paper, but it just has the overlay, so it's not like a clear sticker, if that makes any sense. So this is day 3. You get these adorable little sticker sheets. Day 4 is also another flat little paper bag. Now, I do have to mention, like, we kind of messed up on the paper bag here. We were supposed to use like a zoomed in version of this pattern, but then we ended up accidentally using like the full pattern, so that's why like all of the little doodles are so small. But yeah, I don't know, I didn't feel like it was necessary to waste these paper bags. Day number 4 is a little charm. This is a kind of teddy bear onesie emoji charm. Look at how precious this little guy is. And then of course we did a lobster clasp, so you can directly hang it on like your pencil pouches or something like that. So we have this adorable charm over here. Let's move on to day number 5, which is another washi tape. You can probably kind of guess the theme already. And it is a Sweet Treats emoji washi tape. I'm so excited about this as well. I love everything that is on this roll. Okay, let's try to make this straight. Okay, so this Sweet Treats washi is on a faint pink background, and there are little sprinkles as well as foiled sprinkles with a pink foil. And we just have an emoji. Oh, why is it not focused? We have an emoji with a donut, some Oreos and milk, cookies and brownie, a little cupcake, and a regular chocolate cake. I think this is just so sweet and cute, literally sweet. And yeah, I'm really excited to start using these in spreads. I try to keep all of these designs not very seasonal, so yeah, you can use this any time of the year. Okay, so that was day 5. Where is day 6? Oh, okay, so this is day 6. And it is a larger pouch. This will be stuck down when you receive it, but when you open it, you can pull out a pencil pouch. I am so excited for this one. So this is like a light brown pencil pouch, and this is just the emoji pattern, so there are no animal onesies. A lot of you said that you wanted to see more pencil pouches with just emojis, so I created this one, and I think it is so nice. And let's open it up. The lining is a really nice brown caramel color, and I think this looks so good together. And I know a lot of you like to match your charms with your pencil pouches, which is why I went for a teddy bear onesie with a brown pencil pouch. And I think this just goes so well together, so I'm really excited about this. And I know a lot of people have been wanting to get their hands on a pouch, so I really hope you like this one. It's quite different from all of the other ones that we have released so far. And for day number 7, we have this thing. It's another flat paper bag. I'm just gonna rip it. I'm sorry. Okay. So I have to say, when you first take it out, it's gonna look not so great. So this is what it looks like. It is a set of like plasticky sticky notes in a tab form. And the reason why it doesn't look so great is because this is like, I actually can't remember how many sheets. I will have to double check. I think it's 25 sheets or maybe 35 layered on top of each other. And because each one is translucent, the colors end up being very, very dark when you stack like 25 of them together. But let's open it up and show you what a single one looks like. Whoops. Okay. So this is just a single one. And the sticky side is just on the left. Let's turn this upside down. And this is what the sticky note looks like. I think that is so, so, so cute. So as you can see, it's very different compared to when all of them are stacked together. But yeah, it's just a little like self-growth scenery. And I think this is like the first time we've done a sticky note with this sort of tab style. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. And the stickiness is really good. Let me put this back. Okay, now on to day 8. This box is a little squished. Just looking at this makes me so happy. Okay, so this is the Fruits and Veggies Emotis Washi. I'm so happy. This is another green washi, which we don't typically do washi with green. I don't know why that is, so I'm trying to consciously make the effort to, just because I feel like it's healthy to have a even distribution of different colors. This one is one of the longer ones, so I need to do, let's see, I think 3 lines to swatch them all. And it goes up to the spinach, so that's where it ends. Okay. So I don't think this is like an ugly green color. I know some people find green to be very ugly, but I think this is such a nice green color, especially for spring. And the foil is kind of like a light champagne rose gold. I just spit on the page from excitement. Okay, I feel like I'm acting really gross in this video. Okay, so quick rundown. We have spinach, pineapple, orange, lettuce, apple. This is a peach, but it's kind of cut off. Broccoli, lemon, carrot, strawberry, kiwi, mango, garlic, watermelon, avocado, tomato, what is this called? Banana, and a potato. So yeah, this is the Fruits and Veggies washi. I think it's so cute and so sweet, and I'm really excited to kind of base a spread off of this as well in the future. Okay, put this back. Now we're on to day 9, and we have this guy. It's a bigger flat bag. Dun dun dun. Let me just open it quickly. So this is another file folder, and it is in a new size. I think this is a Traveler's Notebook regular size. And as a reference, this is a Hobonichi Weeks, so it is a little bit bigger than the Hobonichi Weeks. So this is like a little building scenery, and like all of our other folders, there's a 3mm spine, just so that you can add in more stuff without it being like too bulky. And then let's open it up. It's like a continuation of the house scenery. So we have 2 of these larger pockets, and I especially love like this TCMC plaque. And typically we have 2 front smaller pockets. So this is actually a pocket. But I chose to leave it off just because, just for artistic reasons, to be honest. Like I wanted this to be like a front door, and then I wanted to add this like fence, just to actually kind of make it look like a house. So yes, I omitted one of the front pockets just for artistic reasons, but I think it turned out so, so, so cute. Of course, you can use this no matter what planner you have. Like for example, our regular sticker sheets fit in here as well. So it's not like just for the Traveler's Notebook regular size or the Hobonichi Weeks. It can be used for anything. And then we're on to day 10. You might notice that this box is a little fatter than these boxes, so you can probably guess that there are 2 washi tapes in here. And okay, well, it says washi tape duo, so that's kind of obvious, but this is the packaging. Okay, let's open it up. Look at how sweet this duo is. I'm so excited. So this first one is the Evening Routine Washi, and this is, I think, Evening Fog Emoji Heads. I have to double check on the name. I'm 99% sure that is correct. Okay, let's swatch this one. I love this so much. Okay, so the Evening Routine Washi is a silver foil, and there's just little stars and moons. Also this cute little moon there. So we have like a face mask emoji in a robe. We have like a night owl reading emoji. These two together, it's kind of similar to this one. And then we have like brushing your teeth and then taking a bath. And then this is the Evening Fog Emojis washi tape. So it's similar to like the darkest color of Evening Routine, but it's a little bit more muted just to kind of play on the foggy feeling, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that's basically it for everything in the Advent bundle. I don't know if you noticed, but we started off the bundle, oh my gosh, we started off day one of the bundle with a morning routine washi, and as we progressed, we ended off with the Evening Routine Washi. So yeah, that was kind of an idea that I had. It's not like a super themed Advent, if you can tell. Like, there are some elements of like self-care and stuff, but generally it's not really themed, and that was my intention. I didn't want this to be like so specific that it's likely someone might entirely hate this bundle, if that makes any sense. So I hope there's something for everyone in here. Anyways, I need to stop jabbering because I actually have to pack these Advent bundles now for all of you, and I'm so excited to see your reactions. And yeah, I will see you soon with another video. Bye!